Have you ever wondered how a simple habit can bring a family closer? Picture this: a small town, a happy family with a father, mother, and 3 children named Ali, Sarah, and Yusuf. This family had a strong commitment to performing prayers on time, viewing it as an integral part of their lives. On a day like any other, the mother was busy preparing food in the kitchen, the father engrossed in reading the Quran in the living room, and the children, they were out in the garden immersed in their play. Suddenly the air was filled with the call to the du'ur, the noon prayer echoing from the nearby mosque. Hearing the call to prayer, the mother, with the warmth of a loving parent, said, "It's prayer time, children. We must head to the mosque and perform the prayer." The children, their faces lighting up with smiles, obediently followed. The family journeyed to the mosque, their hearts filled with reverence, and prayed together in an atmosphere of tranquility and humility. After the prayer, the father's heart swelled with pride, seeing his children's discipline and dedication to performing the prayer on time. From that day forward, praying on time became a steadfast habit in the family's life. The children began to understand that prayer was not just a religious duty, but also a chance to connect with Allah, to strengthen their spirituality, and to cultivate their piety. And so the family found joy in their shared prayer times, a simple act that brought them closer, strengthening their bonds. So you see, a simple habit, a shared commitment, can indeed bring a family closer, fostering love, unity, and a shared sense of purpose. This is the power of prayer, the power of faith, and the power of family.